Hi guys and welcome back to this video. In this video, we are going to start the live practical coding using Cursor, right? So again, this complete overview of the platform and all those things I'll give you in a while, but let us see what Cursor is capable of, right? I guess that is something which is more important, and you guys are here for it only. So first of all, let's see how we can download the Cursor, right? That is also important, I guess. Let me show you how we can download the Cursor, right? So yep, let me bring it up here. Yo. So download download Cursor. So CURSOR, download Cursor, and over here you will simply get this, download it for Mac, and it will start getting downloaded, and you can simply, once it is downloaded, it will look something like this, right? And also you need to sign in. So from the settings, right, and you can just sign in, right, from the settings in the account section, you can sign in, right? It will take you to browser, right? It will take you to browser, and you have to sign in via browser only, right? So now this is how it will look like, right? The what interface will look like this, and this is the place where we do what, all the stuff, right? All cool stuff. This is the place where we do all cool stuff, right? So yep. Now let's see what we can make today. What to make? Let's make what? Let's try to make some applications. Maybe hoping minds का कुछ बनाते हैं. Hoping minds, right? Let's try to make this, not this kind of interface, right? Let's try to make this kind of interface, right? Via Cursor, right? So what you have to do? You simply have to take screenshot, right? Just take screenshot of this, right? Just take a screenshot, and I'll copy it, save to clipboard, and just go to your Cursor and paste it. That's it. If you see over here that this is the screenshot which I have taken, and I have pasted it over here, right? And now what I will do, so now I'll say my Cursor that what you have to do. So I'll say to my Cursor that, okay Cursor, you have to build a similar feature, like similar page like this, right? So first of all, I'll say that, okay, you have to build a React white app and make the landing page, right? Landing page have a similar value proportions like this like this hoping minds web page, right? Let's enter it and let's see the magic now. All you have to do is just sit back, relax, and see it is doing something. So it is asking us that, okay, whether you want to execute this command or not. I'll say that yes, run this command, because why not? So see, it is running the command. It has created a hoping minds clone, right? And it is doing npm install. Let's run this as well. Let's run this. Yeah, see, it's running. Okay, and it's done. And it's npm install lucid react. Okay, what is this? I don't know. I'm not a React developer. I don't know. It's something. And let me start. Okay, now it is creating app.js. See, it has created app.jsx for us. The complete structure. See this complete structure it has created for us, right? So it is creating each and everything for us. We don't have to worry about anything. See, it has edited. It has edited the complete code. See, it has built me the complete code. And what you have to do, you just have to do this. See, if you can see this keep or undo, right? If you can see this, right, the keep or undo. So just keep it. If you feel that, okay, this is fine, keep it, right? If you feel this is fine, keep it. Now it is generating app.css for me, right? So it is generating app.css for me. right? Let it generate the complete thing. Let's wait. Let's sit back, relax. Let's wait for it. Yeah, see, now it has generated a CSS as well. See, it has generated CSS. So if you want to keep this, just say keep all. Over here you can say keep all. Right now it is updating index.html file as well. Okay, no worries, just say keep all, and it's done. Let's hit npm run dev and let's see what happens. So okay, run dev. Yeah, so it has run localhost 5173. Let's see what it has made. Localhost 5173. Let's see. Oh, cool. It's bit zoom. Let me reset. Oh, nice. Okay. So this was the actual UI, and this is what it has made for us. Pretty good. Pretty good. Not that bad. Not that bad. Not that good. Right? Actually, it looks cool, isn't it? See, kind of same, kind of similar, right? But I feel there is still a problem, right? So let's do one thing. Let's take a screenshot. Okay, and let's say to this this is what you have made. Right now we will ask him, tell me the difference between the UI that I gave to you, okay, sorry, my bad. Can I do it? No. Wait a minute, let me place me somewhere else, maybe here, right, so that the view is not disturbed. Okay, let me do it something like this. Just give me a minute. No, I guess that was better. Transform horizontal. Yeah, no, actually that was better. Oh, oops, sorry. Transform and horizontal. Yeah, this was better, I guess. Okay, so let's do it. Yeah, so now you will see the complete prompt, whatever I'm writing. Okay, so this is what you have made, and tell me the difference between the UI that I gave to you and the UI that you made, right? That you made. Let's ask him now why we should be worried. We should not be worried. Okay, it's in queue. No worries. Let me stop the previous one and let me put this up. Right, let me hoja send. Yeah. So let's see. Okay, looking at the UI created and compared to the original Hoping Minds website, there are key differences, right? So it is telling me that okay, yes, there are differences. Course grid layout, original shows 5 cards in the grid, shows 3 cards, 2 missing, right? Course card content, ठीक है, perfect. Visual design, header logo and company logos, right? And course thumbnail. So these are the differences, right? Original likely to specific responses, ठीक है. Can you fix this UI? Can you fix this UI? Let's ask him. I'll fix the UI and make more accurate. Yeah, see, it's done. And see, what is the best part about Cursor? See, you can do the same thing by using GPT, but the problem over there is that there we don't have the complete code base, right? Over here we have the complete code base. Now what do I mean by complete code base? That since it's a it's an editor in itself, right? So it has access to all the codes, it has access to all my files and everything, right? So I don't need to give him the complete gist again and again, right? It already has that gist in it, that okay, whatever I am doing, right, what is what I'm doing, what I'm not doing, whatever it is, right? It has everything, each and everything in itself, right? So yes, again, let's keep this file. I don't know what changes it has made, but let's keep this file. I'm not looking at the changes again because I'm not a developer, right? I don't know what it is doing. Being a non-tech person, right? If I want to use cursor, so let's just keep on accepting the things, right? Let's see what it is doing now. Okay, it has changes a lot in this. Okay, let's accept it. Okay, wait. Let's try to run it. Okay, keep this file as well. Let's reload. Not much change. Okay, it is showing two downwards. Okay, no worries. Cool, 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 cool. But still not that good, right? Still not that good. Okay, so what change do you see? I see a change that okay, we have 5 cards in a row. So let me say him that okay, I want 5 cards in a row. I want 5 cards in a row, not 3. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, it has made some changes. Let's keep those files. And yes, now I'm getting 5 cards. Right now I'm getting 5 cards, but I see the width is not complete. Right, I see that they are very chipka, right? The width is not complete, and over here I can see a complete width, right? Let's ask him that okay, I want complete width. I want complete width of my course section. Let's see. I'll update and yeah, it's done. Let's see. Oh yeah, cool man. Isn't it cool? Isn't it, guys? See? It's cool. It's actually cool. Now I'll say that okay, I see that color is different, right? Color of course section was different originally, right? Let's see this. I feel background color of the original UI that I gave you was different, and the UI that you provided me is a bit different. Let's see. You are absolutely right. Looking at the original, hoping my website, the background. Okay, perfect. Let's do it. कुछ खास change नहीं किया इसने. Let's keep on accepting. No. कुछ ऐसा खास change. अच्छा ठीक है. Here we have these two things as well. Okay, perfect. नहीं. But ठीक है, anyways. See, now I feel that okay, build your resume and this chat section should be aligned towards rightmost corner, right? But they are not rightmost aligned. Let's align that part as well. Right? Let's align that part. I see. Build your resume. Build your resume wala part and chat icon should be towards leftmost, but they are not. Fix it. It's that simple. And yes, it is. See. So yep, it has done some changes. Let's see. Is it done? Are? Oh, leftmost nahi, rightmost. Sorry, rightmost. My bad. I want rightmost. rightmost, not left. Sorry, it was my bad. Let's see, जाएगा क्या? हाँ गया, लेकिन वो अभी भी still we have some issues. कोई बात नहीं, we can fix that moving forward. ठीक है, थोड़ा बहुत I guess it has made, right, a lot good thing. And see, it just took me 5 minutes to make this, right? Just 5 minutes, just 5 minutes. No, none other than 5 minutes, right? So that this is what exactly a cursor can do, right? This is what exactly a cursor can do, right? Floating expansion position, right 2 rem from edge. No, I want 0 rem. I want 0 rem. 0 rem from right. Let's see. I want 0 rem from right. Yeah, see, now it is ekdam fixed, right? Now it is ekdam fixed. I can see horizontal bar in my page. Fix it. मेरे को एक horizontal bar दिख रही है अपने पेज में, एक scroll bar, right? And let's see this. Yeah, it's fixed. Oh, but again, no, it has disturbed. Now see what happened now. I asked him to remove that horizontal bar, but now it has changed this position as well, right? Earlier I asked him to do it full complete. Now it has changed this and it has shrinked it, right? So what you can do, you can simply restore to your checkpoint. You can either do undo, right? Or what you can do, you see, I asked this question, and here you will see this button of restore checkpoint. When you click this button and when you do continue, and see, it has fixed everything. It has restored to that particular checkpoint, right? So like this, you can make your websites by using cursor. Again, it has lot more to do with, right? It has lot more to do. We will keep on studying this, right? And I guess that's it for this video. We'll meet you again in the other video with a new topic. Till then, thank you, bye bye, and good night.